Today we will be going over a demo that highlights the usage of Apex, ATP, and OAC in a company's manufacturing process. Before we start, just wanted to quickly introduce our team. My name is Marissa Kamisugi, and I'm joined today by solution engineers Brandon Aleri and Ilya.tech. To begin, we'll give you a little background. The company we contacted developed and manufactures a variety of medical devices, such as glucose monitors and thermometers. Our customer was a process engineer responsible for analyzing errors on the manufacturing floor located in Arizona. His pain? The error tracking process involved having an individual record all the errors in a spreadsheet at the end of every shift, which could last around 8 to 12 hours. The sheet would then be sent to be processed by a data team in California and then sent back to the process engineers. The insights we gathered was that the lack of real-time data and limited access to accurate information created discrepancies in how our customer's team analyzed and reported these errors. By leveraging these insights, our team was able to collaborate and propose a three-part solution. First, an Apex error tracking app would allow employees to record errors via a mobile device while working their shifts. Second, ATP would allow access for teams in both California and Arizona. And lastly, the Oracle Analytics Cloud would allow teams to be able to visualize and share insights. To give you all a better understanding of the process, let's look at this error tracking architecture we created. It would start off with a device assembler on the manufacturing floor finding an error. Maybe that's a broken piece or a missing part. They would use the Apex app to log the error via their mobile device. This error would then be stored in ATP and accessible via the Oracle Analytics Cloud. This would then allow process engineers, management, and even the team in California to be able to access this data in real time. Before delivering our demo to the customer, it was really important for us to create a brief presentation like this one that would allow the customer to see snapshots and highlights of what they were going to see. And now, without further ado, Brandon and Ilya will be showcasing the tailored demo they created for our customer. Thank you all for your time and attention. If you have any questions moving forward, please feel free to reach out to our team.